Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Zobo with pineapple. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for this refreshing drink. We will use 1 cup of dried hibiscus flowers, along with 1 whole ripe pineapple, peeled and chopped. Do not forget a small piece of fresh ginger, peeled and sliced, and about 8 cups of clean water. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Begin by gently rinsing your dried hibiscus flowers under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes any impurities. Next, take your peeled pineapple and cut it into generous 2-inch chunks. These large pieces are perfect for infusing flavor. Remember to also peel and thinly slice your 2-inch piece of ginger, allowing its spicy notes to blend beautifully with the fruit. Proper preparation is key to a vibrant and delicious drink. Now combine your thoroughly rinsed hibiscus flowers, the pineapple chunks, and the sliced ginger into a large, non-reactive pot. Carefully pour in 8 full cups of fresh water, making sure all the ingredients are fully submerged for even cooking. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat, watching it carefully. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and allow it to simmer for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. This extracts all the wonderful flavors. After simmering, let the Zobo mixture cool naturally for at least 30 minutes. This helps deepen the flavors. Once cooled, carefully pour the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth into a separate clean pitcher. Gently press down on the solids to extract every last drop of that vibrant liquid before discarding them. Now, add your chosen sweetener, perhaps 4 tablespoons of sugar or 2 tablespoons of honey, stirring well until it completely dissolves into the beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.